Dear students, in this video, we will discuss the exercise questions and answers of Chapter 1 Computer and its Types. Everyone open page number 6 of your book. Children, in this video, we will discuss 5 questions of our exercise. Question A, B, C, D and E. Let's start. First question. A. Tick the correct answer. The first one is Dash is a very big and powerful computer. The options are desktop, laptop, supercomputer. Children, which computer is a very big and powerful computer? The correct answer is supercomputer. All of you please tick the correct answer in your book. Second question. Dash is a special type of computer which is very small. ऐसा कौन सा कंप्यूटर है जो छोटा होता है and is a special kind of computer? Supercomputers? No. Desktop computers? No. Tablet PC? Yes. Tablet PC is a special type of computer which is very small. Third one. Dash is designed in such a way that it fits conveniently on your lap. Which computer fits on our lap? The options are desktop, laptop, tablet PC. A laptop fits on our lap. This is the correct answer. Fourth one, Dash has a built-in digital camera for clicking images. Options are smartphone, desktop, none of these. Children, यहाँ पे हमें बताना है कौन से कंप्यूटर में बिल्ट इन डिजिटल कैमरा होता है. The correct answer is smartphone. Let's see the answers. Here are the answers. So children, all of you must complete this work in your book. Now moving to the next question, that is part B. This is fill in the blanks with the help of words given below. Here are the words given to us. We will fill the blanks with the help of these words. First one, Dash works very fast. What works very fast? A supercomputer works very fast. So I have given number 1 to supercomputers. Second one, Dash computers are used in schools. Which computers are used in schools? Desktop computers. Okay. Third one, Dash fits on your lap. What fits on our lap? A laptop fits on our lap. And the last fourth one, Dash can be used by touching the screen with your finger. ऐसे कौन से कंप्यूटर को फिंगर से टच करके काम कर सकते हैं? The correct answer is tablet PC. Okay. So these are the answers. Let's see the answers. Here are the answers. First one, supercomputer. Second one, desktop. Third, laptop. Fourth, tablet PC. Children, write down the answers in your book. Moving to the next question, that is question number C. Match the column A in which devices are given, pictures of devices are drawn, with column B, utilities. Here children, we have two columns, column A and column B, and we need to match the devices with the correct answer given in column B. Children, यहाँ पे हमें मैच करना है, और मैच करने से पहले let me tell you one thing, that we will not do this match the following by drawing the lines. हम यहाँ पे lines draw करके match the following नहीं करेंगे, हम यहाँ पे numbering करेंगे. कैसे? Let's see. In column 1 we will write numbers. We will write numbers for each image, and then we will write the correct number. I mean, we will match the correct number with the correct answer given in column B. But before that, let's see column A में जो images दिए हैं वो किसके हैं? So the first image is of a desktop. Second image किसका है? It's a smartphone. Third image किसका है? It's a laptop. And fourth image, it's a tablet. Okay, so let's see the answers. Here is the match the following done. First one is a desktop. A desktop is used in shops and offices. So ma'am has matched here. Can you all see? यहाँ पे भी 1 number लिखा है और यहाँ भी 1. So हमने match the following कर दी. Now second one, here 2 is written. Let's search for the correct answer. It is a smartphone. It has a built-in digital camera. So ma'am has written 2 there. So हमने ऐसे match the following यहाँ भी कर दी. Similarly, third and fourth part will also be matched. Third one, it's a laptop which can be carried from one place to another easily. So here we have written 3. Last one, fourth one, it is a tablet and it is a special type of small computer. So ma'am has written 4 there for matching them. So in this way children, आप लोग भी match करेंगे. Okay. Now moving towards the next question, that is part D. Write T for true and F for false statements. जो statements सही हैं उनके लिए हम T लिखेंगे, and जो गलत हैं, those who are false statement, we will write F for them. First one, supercomputers can easily be carried from one place to another. क्या हम सुपर कंप्यूटर को एक प्लेस से दूसरी जगह ले जा सकते हैं? No, it's wrong. So the correct answer is false. This is not correct. This is false. Second question. Tablet computers are very small computers. Tablet computers छोटे computers होते हैं. True. Third one. A smartphone does not provide any computer facility. एक स्मार्टफोन कोई भी कंप्यूटर की फैसिलिटी नहीं देता है. Is this true? No. स्मार्टफोन कंप्यूटर की फैसिलिटी देते हैं. So this statement is false. Last one, the fourth one. Laptops are very big in size. क्या लैपटॉप्स बहुत बड़े होते हैं साइज में? No. This is also false. A false statement. Let's see the answers. Here ma'am has written the correct answers. So children, you all will also write the answers in your book. Moving towards the next question, that is part E. Here the question is, unscramble the words to make meaningful words from the chapter. Here we are given some words. We need to change the order of these words to make meaningful words. So the first one will be, we will change the order of the given words. हम सारे words के orders को change करके एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनाएंगे. एंड व्हाट विल बी द मीनिंगफुल वर्ड? कंप्यूटर. ओके, सो हमने इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बना दिया. इसी तरह we will do the second and third question as well. Let's see the correct answers. Here are the correct answers. First one will be computer, second one is tablet PC, third one is desktop. Children, with this we have discussed 5 questions of our textbook exercises. This work is to be done in your book. All of you must complete this work neatly in your book. Thank you.